Alright, what's up guys? I'm back. I probably sound like a broken record saying sorry in every video for not posting. But I had a lot of problems with my camera not recording, and the battery just completely draining on me within the span of a couple hours. And also problems with my car, which is right there. Also, my battery on that kept on dying, and I didn't really know why it kept dying as much as it did. So I kind of narrowed it down on my car what it was. I can show you. Have it here. Yes, here it is. I know I have a lot of wires, and yes, all these wires were in my engine bay connected to my car. So this is the Bluetooth module to my Demonize, the Morimoto Demonize. And this little blue indicator light was always on, showing when obviously the car had power. And I think this is the culprit that basically kept on making my battery die, because that light was on, and it would be a couple days where I would not drive my car. Like I said, I don't drive it all the time. I'm normally in my truck with my dad for work. And so yeah, so ever since then, the car's been good. My GoPro also, well, I record with a GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition. So like I said, there's times where it wouldn't record, and when I would record, it would corrupt the files. And the battery that came with the GoPro, I think, was just bad from the factory, defective. So I got a brand new battery. I updated the software on my GoPro. I read a lot of forums, I talked to a lot of people. They said just to update the software. And, you know, I spent money and got a brand new battery as well, a couple batteries, so I have extras. But, so that's really the reason why I wasn't able to post. You know, it's been like a month, I believe, since my last video that I've uploaded, which was of my carbon fiber trunk. I didn't lie. I did say I have a lot of parts coming in, and they have showed up today. I just got the last part, did just show up today, which was, I might as well just tell you guys, I got a new set of coilovers. I got the Megan Racing coilovers. I'll add a picture on the screen. I don't remember off the top of my head what they were called. And also there's a couple of parts already on my car that I installed, but like I said, you know, I'm sorry that I couldn't make a video. My dad was just super gung-ho about it, and I came out one morning and he was already installing one of the parts for me on my car. So, and then the other part, I took it and I got them installed. I'll show you guys what they are right now. And so those two parts are on the car. I still have 3 more parts upstairs in my room. Like I said, coilovers being one of them, a new set. I got a M&S grill, new replacement grill, and also a InGen cold air intake. That's a hot air intake. So yeah, so I'll just show you guys exactly what parts I have on the car as it sits right now. If that's why you see me in different clothes too, from the first clip in the beginning of the video. It's the next day. Sorry, ran out of memory on my GoPro, my memory card. Just one problem after another. But seriously, like I said, I lost my train of thought, so I don't remember where exactly I left off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what's on the car already as is. And like I said, in the next video, it's definitely gonna be a video of me installing my coilovers and taking it and getting in alignment, and I'll show you guys afterwards how it sits and, you know, what I think about the coilovers. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the parts right now in the next clip. So enjoy. So here we go, guys. Here's the car. This is where I park it. First new part, as you can see, I got a new set of rims and tires. I ditched the 18s. I went 19s. And these are the ESR CS5s, I believe, wrapped in Achilles ATR Sport 2s in 275/35 19s on 10.5 plus 22 in the rear. And in the front, same setup, CS5s ESR Achilles ATR Sport 2s, 245/40 19s. So yeah, sorry guys, like I was saying, there's a lot of background noise right now. The house next door was just sold, and there's a guy there right now cleaning the carpets, so hopefully you can hear the don't hear the generator in the background. And it's also garbage day, so yeah, so 245/40 19s in the front on a 9.5 plus 22 also. Fitment is honestly way better than my my last set that I had on the car. Those were plus 15 offset. And the last thing is on the car already as is the Sibon carbon fiber hood, the TS style. Other than that, that's about it as of right now. Like I said, I tried making a video with my phone on the hood, the hood, and my dad was already installing it by the time I came out. He was I think he was more excited about it than I was to put it on, because it was just taking up space here in the garage. He got kind of tired of it, so he just started installing it for me. So I came out and I helped him, and I wasn't able to make a video with my phone. And same thing with my wheels. I couldn't use my phone because my phone was dead at the time. So like I said, I'm sorry once again. But like I said, the video coming up next will be a full video of me installing my coilovers on my car, my new set, and taking it and getting it aligned. And I'll show you guys the results. But yeah, like I said, again, I'm sorry. I'll be posting next very soon here, probably within the next week or so. So stay tuned for that video. Thank you guys. I appreciate it, your patience. I appreciate everybody subscribing and watching my videos. So yeah, so thank you. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys later. All right, peace.